Hello, and welcome to the NETGEAR booth. I'm Doug Chung. I'm the Product Line Manager for NETGEAR Business Wireless Products. Thank you for coming to our virtual booth. We're demonstrating the second generation of Orbi Pro, the Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6. The product number is SXK80. It comes with a router, also known as the base unit, and multiple units of the satellite. You can add more. The product number for the satellite unit is SXS80. Every few years, the Wi-Fi industry ushers in a new technology. With every generation of technology, Wi-Fi devices become faster, more reliable, and more secure. The latest technological evolution is Wi-Fi 6. Without exception, Wi-Fi 6 gives us faster speeds, more reliability, and a higher level of security. But there's more. Wi-Fi 6 also gives us more device handling capacity, longer smartphone battery life, and operates on both the 5 GHz and the 2.4 GHz bands, accommodating many types of devices. Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 represents a major breakthrough in performance and security compared to the original Orbi Pro. First, let's talk about Wi-Fi. It is 12 streams versus 8 streams. Because of Wi-Fi 6, the total throughput is 6 gigabits per second versus 3 gigabits per second. So that is 100% more, a tremendous amount of throughput improvements. More importantly, I want to talk about a few improvements that are critical to small businesses, one of which is the concurrent number of device handling, or capacity. In a restaurant, a cafe, health clinic, or home business environment, the number of devices is well above that of a typical home. The ability to stay connected to all devices and deliver consistent throughput for all applications, such as conference calls, is a customer satisfaction issue if you are a public-facing small business. And it is a work productivity issue if you are a professional working from home. Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 gives you 4 times more capacity and better roaming quality compared to the original Orbi Pro. Even more critical than raw throughput is security. A business can suffer grave consequences if there is a security breach. We have designed in multiple security measures to keep your business safe. Number 1, there are 4 SSIDs built in. More importantly, each SSID is its own VLAN, so that users on your guest Wi-Fi network cannot access any device or data on your other SSIDs. Second, even within the same SSID Wi-Fi, devices cannot see each other. They are individually connected to the internet. This is a huge improvement of security for you and your guests. Third, we have designed in an authentication mechanism, Secure Boot, which prevents rogue firmware to be loaded and run on your Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6. Only authenticated firmware from NETGEAR can be loaded. Fourth, we design in a dual image in the firmware. What does that mean? There are always 2 copies of the firmware in your Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6. There is never a problem with data corruption, for example, due to a sudden power outage in the middle of a firmware upgrade. Your Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 is never a dead brick. Our customers tell us that security and reliability are of paramount importance. We hear you, and we have made that a reality in Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6. Did I mention performance? Yes, I did. But I have left out one very attractive feature. Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 has a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port, which can be configured as an internet port if you have internet service that is higher than 1 gigabit per second. Or it can be configured into a LAN port, which you can connect to a multi-gig switch. This Orbi Pro WiFi 6 is loaded with unprecedented amount of raw performance and tons of small and home business features. I would like to invite you to come to our website and take a closer look. For more information, click the link in the description below. Thank you for your time, and we're glad you stopped by.